series where I'll be taking everyone's favorite chocolate bars and turning them into refined desserts you can make in the comfort of your home. And I'm kicking the series off with the one that everyone knows, the Mars bar.
First things first, line your tray with some parchment paper because we don't want to be scrubbing trays later. Now let's start with the base. In a bowl, add 250 grams of soft butter, 100 grams of caster sugar, 150 grams of soft brown sugar, and 3 eggs. This is a frangipane recipe that's going to give us that chewy almond texture to replace the nougat in a normal Mars bar. Now add 200 grams of ground almond and 50 grams of cocoa powder because we want to keep that chocolate flavor. Now spread into a tray about 1 centimeter thick. Bake at 160 degrees centigrade for 10 minutes, then set aside to cool. For the first layer of filling, we're going to combine 250 grams of mascarpone and 150 grams of soft brown sugar. And for that unique Mars bar flavor, we're going to add 50 grams of malt extract. Followed by 250 grams of double cream, then mix till smooth. Once you have a homogeneous mix, add another 250 grams of double cream and give it a good old whipping till stiff peaks. Now sit onto your cooled base about 2 centimeters thick and set in the fridge for about 1 hour. Whilst the cream layer is setting, we're going to make a quick salted caramel. For the recipe, watch my salted caramel video, link in description and on screen right about now. Once your caramel has cooled to room temperature, pour a 5mm thick layer onto your cream layer and set back in the fridge. For our chocolate layer, we're going to make a soft chocolate ganache. In a clean bowl, add 100 grams of dark chocolate and 100 grams of milk chocolate. Then add 200 grams of cold water along with 1.5 grams of agar to a pan. Bring to the boil, stirring continuously, then add 400 grams of double cream and bring back to the boil. Once your cream is boiling, add it to your chocolate in 3 stages, making sure to mix well between each stage. Donkey.
Now I'm going to quickly cover these very carefully because they are actually for an event tomorrow. So you lot have to wait till tomorrow to see what they look like and all the layers. See you tomorrow at the event.